how can you apply and create a Mastercard? So let's discuss in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So as you may know, Mastercard is a card which is used worldwide for the various purposes like transactions or payments, or you can even use while you're shopping at any country or any place of the world. Mastercard is linked with all the banks of worldwide, so you can use the card anywhere at any time for payments. So in order to get a Mastercard, you need your PAN card, which is personal account number. And after getting the PAN card, you can either visit your bank and from there you can fill up the form and ask for Mastercard, or if you are using a digital banking, then you can open up your mobile banking and from there you'll be able to see applying for Visa or Mastercard options, and from there you can apply for Mastercard. And after filling up the form, all the charge or fee will be debited from your mobile banking, and after certain time your Mastercard will be created and you can easily use it. And by this process you can easily make a Mastercard and use it. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.